Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, yesterday there was a dev channel built that was released, 22483. Unfortunately, not a lot to talk about. There's no new features in here. One thing to note is that you have the ability today to download the image of 22483, the ISO, if you need to clean install. You have that available if you have problems installing it. If you have some major glitches with Windows 11 dev channel builds, sometimes a reinstall is useful because it fixes things. Now, the install went well, went quite fast. This was a build that installed in maybe 30 minutes or something like that. I didn't keep track of a lot of the time that I've installed because I was doing something else, but seemed to have worked well. Everything seems to have gone right. So you have a lot of bug fixes in this one. This is the major thing. What is in here is mostly bug fixes, as they haven't added anything. I am kind of a little surprised at, and I think some of you are mad at Microsoft for what has happened yesterday. You know, we are on dev channel because we want to have the latest, greatest things. And that's for people that, want to live the life in the fast lane, but risk having problems. And of course, the dev channel, I don't recommend usually for most people because you can't get out of it unless you want to reinstall Windows. That's why I usually tell people to go in beta. Most of the time, and also you can get out on beta. But yesterday we got kind of hit by something that we didn't expect, and the fact that beta got a update of the store that actually had the Windows subsystem for Android. We all thought that they would be in this build, but it's not. So if you're searching for it in dev, don't. Microsoft says it will eventually be here. So, well, we got to wait for that. But it did kind of make a few people mad. I think a lot of people are on the impression that they got a little bit, kind of... I don't know. They got hit by a bad decision, or they can't understand why in the dev we didn't have it. And I'm with those people. I still don't understand why it did that. And actually, I was reading, looking at a video where Paul Tarot, which is a famous Windows technologist and journalist, is really mad. He says, you know what? Microsoft pulled one on the dev channel guys because they sent out the Android stuff for beta. So I hope Microsoft understands that, dev being higher risk, we're doing it because we also want to have the new features first, and that should be the case. And I hope they understand that, because I have to say, I was a little surprised. I don't have a machine that is in the beta channel because I don't want to be in the beta channel. I want to be in the dev. And now it's kind of tricking me because it's like, yeah, well, I don't have a machine that I can check the Android stuff. And I don't want to dedicate my main machine to being an insider in the beta channel either. So I don't know. Kind of makes us mad a little bit. So just bug fixes, guys. Stability wise, it seems to be stable. Been working 24 hours almost, this machine, and no crashes, blue screen, or anything. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.